Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I have to tell you, I'm having a great time talking to the good people here at Herzing College. A lot of cool things are happening here. A lot of lives are being changed. Why don't you introduce yourself? Tell us what you do.
Okay, I'm Don Deluca. I am the instructor for network cabling services, a network cabling specialist, sorry, for Herzing College, and I've been here since 2018.
Wow, network cabling specialist. What does that course entail?
That course entails basically anything to do with communications, phone communications, computers, Wi-Fi, fiber optics, anything to do with computers, for security cameras, for phone systems, everything. Right.
So you go to a building and oftentimes you see the racks of cables running over top. That's you guys.
That's us. Yeah.
That's you guys. Great. Courses, how long?
So it depends on how you take it. The network cabling is 18 weeks. And then there's 6 weeks of estimation, but quite often students are promoted to take the network cabling and electrical pre-apprenticeship at the same time. Right. Because a lot of the skills of one correspond to the other. Yeah. Whether I'm running an electrical 18.2 wire or a Cat6 network wire, it's still running wire, so it's the same thing.
Yeah, I can't remember the last time I ran a wire like that. But anyway, Don, I do appreciate what you're saying there. Don, tell me now, what industry experience do you bring to the table when you're instructing?
So I have been doing network cabling since 1995. I've been doing fiber optic installations since 2001. I have had my own business and still run it today since 2008.
Wow.
I've been in almost every environment doing data cabling, anything from warehouses to manufacturing plants to schools to retail stores like the Gap and Aeropostale, PetSmart, even outdoor. I did a fiber installation for a camera installation on Hamilton Harbor for a what is it?
Like a marine security thing or something like that?
No, it was for a brain fart.
Doesn't matter, Don. I guess what I'm hearing is you're bringing some experience to the table.
Yes, a lot of experience.
A lot of experience to the table.
Yes.
Which is great, right? Because the students need that. Not only do they need that theoretical knowledge, but they also really need to understand that the person instructing me, they've been around the block, and you're that guy.
Yeah.
Tell me now, a lot of students come through the door for you. Tell me what it must feel like to watch them walk in that first day, quite unsure of what it's going to be like, and see them step out really ready to go. Talk to me about that.
It is more fulfilling than I thought it would be. Initially, when the school asked me if I wanted to instruct, I didn't even think I could. And they said, okay. So when you take our students as apprentices, who instructs them? I said, I do. They said, well, why don't you just think of the whole class as your apprentices? I'm like, okay, well, I guess I could do that. And the first day, I tell them that I'm going to take them on a trip that will blow their mind and open the world to see things that they've never seen before. And by the end, they say, yeah, you know, I see things that I've never seen before. I see manhole covers that are open and I know what's inside them. And I see somebody on the side of the road with a truck open and I know what they're doing. And I want to go and talk to them about it because I know what they're doing. And when the first time we do the phone systems, the students are able to hook up a phone, call another phone, and have it ring. And they pick it up, and they're like, I did that.
Yeah.
That's such a fulfilling feeling. It's amazing.
Yeah, a feeling of accomplishment, right?
Yeah.
I mean, it's a feeling of accomplishment, but you're empowering them, you're igniting a passion in them. That's a good way to come to work every day,
Yeah.
right? Knowing that you're not just an instructor, you're not just a teacher, you're empowering and coaching
Yes.
people along the way. Don, it's been an absolute pleasure to be in conversation with you. Thanks for your insight.
Thank you.